Finally, Motorola released its latest flagship smartphone, Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The body dimension of this mobile: height 6.34 inches, width 2.5 inches, thickness 8.6 mm, and the weight is 197 grams. And the build: front glass, wooden back, and eco leather with aluminium frame. The display of this device: it comes with POLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.7 inches, 92.1% screen to body ratio, and the resolution is 1.5K. The refresh rate is 144 Hz with 2500 nits peak of brightness, and the protection is Gorilla Glass Victor. The platform of this device: it comes with Android 14, and the chipset is Snapdragon 8X Gen 3 octa-core Cortex-X4. The GPU is Adreno 735, and the memory: it comes with 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM, and the ROM is 512 GB and 1 TB. No SD card port in this mobile. The camera of this device: it comes with triple camera sensor. The main camera: 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. And the selfie camera is 2 megapixel, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The battery of this mobile: it comes with 4500 mAh battery, 125 watt wired charging, and 50 watt wireless charging, and it supports reverse charging with 10 watt. The common and the feature: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint on the display, NFC, UFS 4.0, and IP68 dust water resist. And the price of Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is $999.